Morning YouTube, we are back in Chiang Mai. This is my room. I've slept in it already. I came back yesterday from Pai and I came back and the weather was awful. It was like torrential rain. I've never seen rain like it. But this is the balcony of my place. There's a temple literally right there. Not views like Pai, but it is a city nonetheless. So what I'm planning to do today, wow, that got steamed up very fast. So what I'm planning to do today, yesterday I came and I was just I just wanted food. I wanted food and rest, so that's exactly what I did. And I didn't realize how much rest I wanted or needed until I slept in until like 11 a.m. this morning. I was just waking up, then drowsy, then went back to sleep, waking up. I think I just did a lot of things in Pai, and so then coming to Chiang Mai today, I had a plan. No, coming to Chiang Mai yesterday, I had a plan of what I was going to do today. I was gonna go to the gym. I was gonna go do this, go to a spa, do this, that, and the other, la 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 la. And mate, now I'm dressed, washed, ready for the day. I'm too tired. I was gonna go to the gym, can't be bothered to do that, so I'm gonna just walk around the old town, see what the old town looks like, take it easy, probably get something to eat, and then go and have a massage and chill. And then I'm planning to go to like a jazz club tomorrow. I've already planned with my driver Pete. Remember Pete, who I was here with in Chiang Mai last time I came to Chiang Mai? He's gonna take me to Sticky Waterfalls tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that with him tomorrow. But today I'm just gonna chill and take it easy, walk around, see what Chiang Mai old town looks like. Yeah, food and massage, and then go to the jazz club later on this evening. So yeah, so not much really going on in Chiang Mai. I think traveling's kind of got like the better of me at the minute, and I'm just like so drowsy and so sleepy, and just want to rest, and so my body's just telling me to rest, so that's what I'm gonna listen to. So yeah, I'll probably take you with me when I'm walking around so you can see what it looks like. If I see anything beautiful, wow, most things are beautiful, I'll show you guys. Obviously I'm not going to show you my massage, but maybe show you my food. So yeah, man, tired today though. Yeah, the rain, like, obviously I'm from England, so I know what rain's like. I can deal with rain. Rain's fine. My gosh, oh my gosh, I got absolutely drenched yesterday. Chiang Mai did me really dirty. I come here and it just was torrential downpour. Obviously I know it's wet season, so you know I have to, but boy, but I was stupid because I decided to go out in it because I had an umbrella, but that didn't stop nothing. The cars just whizzing past soaked me. I just was like, I just had to go to the nearest food shop and just stay there until it calmed down a bit, and it did, and then it went crazy again. But it was needed because it cools down the air a little bit. So yeah, that was the experience. But hey, yeah, you probably can see my face that I'm like really tired today, really tired. So yeah, we're just gonna take it easy one. We got the elephant pants on today. Yeah, so cool. I'm currently in the old city, the old town, inside the gates, and I'm currently walking towards the gates. It's like a 20-minute walk. I don't know why I always decide to leave at the dead of the heat, midday. Makes no sense, but that's when I'm like feeling the most active. But yeah, all the roads in the middle. Everywhere you walk there's temples. Like my place is right next to a temple. In Chiang Mai there's like temples everywhere. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. The roads are empty because probably everyone's in their house staying away from the sun, and I'm the silly one that's out here walking. That is what it is. I'm out now. It's nice though. It's nice and peaceful when it's quiet. Low-key, I'm missing Pi, you know. Yesterday was the first day I felt lonely, and I think it was because of the rain. And yeah, I really liked Pi. I really wish I stayed in Pi for like at least an extra night. I don't know what difference that would have done, but I'm thankful that I've come here and been able to like rest. Yeah, I'm happy that I've been able to just come here and rest and relax and just like obviously the hotel that I'm in right now is a bit nicer than what I was in before, so I'm happy that I've been able to just sleep. And obviously my body was telling me that I needed to sleep, but Pi was just beautiful, the scenery. And you know, traveling alone sometimes makes you realize, you know, what you learn more about yourself, what you like, what you don't like. And obviously I just like scenery. I like to be in nature, obviously, even though nature don't like me. I think this thing here gives you water. That's crazy. Yeah. You put money in there and it gives you water in there. That's cool. You got a bottle. I think it's like 2 baht. Mad. So if you got no water on the road, if you got no water, just get it from there. Mad. Or you ain't got much money. Chiang Mai is such a cool little city. It's just cool. It's like cool vibes. Cool chill vibes. It's quite chill today. Not many people out and about. Near the gate, just chilling. It's so peaceful. So all around the old town there's this like canal. Is it a canal? Is it a lake? What is it? A river? It's not a river. I don't know what it is. It's something. I'm not a what do they call them? Eco something. Don't know. But yeah, just chilling, just listening to some music and just watching the cars go by. So peaceful, and also to cool down underneath a tree. It's hot, man. It took me like 25 minutes to walk here. Got a Taco Bell right over there. This wall's massive. It's about 10 foot high. All these dotty pigeons. These pigeons. Why is there so many pigeons? It's crazy. Mate, these pigeons be going off. Whoa! Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm going that close to all them pigeons. Ain't no way. This is what I mean, you know, you just walk down the street and you see a beautiful temple. Look at that. That's gorgeous. It's amazing. Absolutely beautiful. So beautiful. Oh gosh. It's not too hot today, so we're liking that. It's 29 degrees, so it's not too bad. Manageable. I think it's gonna go up to 31 though, okay. The one thing that you have to do is be careful where you're walking, because how many times I've buckled because the floor's not even and there's hardly any pavements anywhere. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, there's like some roads don't have pavements, so you end up walking on the road. So you just have to be careful everywhere you walk. There's so much to like see. Just look at the mountains in the background as well. It always fascinates me, these electric wires, you know. When it's raining, I get so scared when I got the umbrella. Like, I hope I don't touch anything electrocuted. Oi. Yeah, so I'm on the way to a massage parlor that ex-prisoners that are women who say, oh shit, I'll get me a nice little full body massage I'm in need, and then probably afterwards go get some chicken because I'm feeding for some chicken. Jeez. I want to find like a nice little souvenir shop, even though I'm not planning on bringing back any souvenirs. I think it's only right to do so. So yeah, that's what I'm on the hunt for at the minute. $7-Elevens are just everywhere. Irish pub. Yeah. So I just had a massage. No, I just had my first Thai massage. So me thinking I've been having Thai massages, no I haven't. This was my first Thai massage. She was flipping me, twisting me up like a pretzel. Oh my gosh, it felt so good. I feel just loose and airy. But this massage parlor in particular is like run by ex-prisoners. So that's why I decided to go there, because I thought, why not, eh? And then when you're in there, they actually give you clothes to wear. Like, that's the first time that's ever happened when I've been in a massage parlor. Normally you just strip down to your underwear. Oh, let me tell you about my experience, my last massage parlor. Jeez. It was a bit strange in Pi, but yeah, maybe too X-rated to talk to on here. It wasn't that X-rated, but it just was a shock to the system. But I'm just currently on the way to, I don't know, I need to put it in my Google Maps to get some chicken. This is a song time. It's like a big taxi. But yeah, I'm gonna go. The way that she was rubbing up my head, oh my gosh, I could have just got a head massage, you know, and that would have done me. I'm gonna go to some chicken place, but yeah, I need to catch my bearings, man. That massage nearly put me to sleep. Well, I was asleep. It was good. Yeah, I forgot to say as well, it was 450 baht for an hour and a half massage, full body, which is really good. Works out like £10. And it was great. It was amazing. It was amazing. Can't lie. Got twisted up, but it was so nice. Like, I feel so loose. Feel so good. Like, they get all the pressure points, man. Like, feet, head, yeah, it was good. But as I said, I'm on the way to get some chicken now. Get some food. I'm hungry. So I'm gonna post up the food that I had. I think I showed you before this clip. It was alright, but the people in there wasn't friendly. That's the first time I've ever been to a place where the Thai people haven't been friendly. The food wasn't the best, like it was just edible. It wasn't the best chicken, so I'm gonna find another spot. If not, just get, I don't know. If I walk past somewhere, then I'll get something else. I'm still hungry. There wasn't a lot of food. Look at this tree. Jeez. As I said, everywhere you walk, you can just buckle. I'm thinking, the fight's on tonight. Should I go see the fights? I don't know. I might do. Or should I go to the jazz club? I might go to jazz club. But then the fights are not on tonight. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Good morning, guys. So last night, I got on a motorbike taxi to this jazz club. And then I was with somebody who I met at a hotel. We had a few drinks and then we went to a place called Lana Square and had too much more drinks. And then I ended up just crashing. So alcohol is not my thing, innit? But anyway, today I'm going to a waterfall, sticky waterfall. I've got Pete, my driver, who drove me last time when I was in Chiang Mai. He's taking me there and bringing me back. But I got bad back, and I think it might be from the massage that I had yesterday. Oh my gosh, my back is killing me. I'm like, oh, I feel like an old lady. The waterfall is not a good decision to do it today at all, but I've only really got today to do it because tomorrow I fly back to Bangkok. So yeah, I'm gonna literally head out in a bit. He's picking us up at 12 and yeah, go. I'm knackered. I'll probably end up coming back sleeping until I'm gonna go to the night market in Chiang Mai tonight. Yeah. Me complaining, eh? Shouldn't. So I just got to the waterfall and I still got a bad back. It's killing me. Oh my gosh, I'm actually dying. But I'm hoping that the coldness from the water, look at the fish. The coldness from the waterfall will help my back ease up a little. Oh jeez, mate, this is a struggle, but I'm gonna try it. You have to climb up the waterfall as well, so I don't know how well I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try my best. Oh, here we go. These stairs are steep. Oh. Oh. I don't know if this is where you start, but this is where I'm starting. Oh. Wow. Wow. The water's not so cold. It's actually... So this is called sticky waterfall. You so people just put your foot on it and stick. Are you ready to climb? Or you want to go down further? Yeah. Keep going down. Yeah. Come on then, let's keep going down. hotel. His name's Peter, and he's just coming with me. He came with me, and he's a doctor from Abu Dhabi, and he's just told me, just sit next to the waterfall and let it hit your back. And I'm like, okay. It's really nice though. It actually helps my back. It's so lovely. So basically, this waterfall is made with a mineral that it never gets slippy, and so that's why you can walk up it, because you'll be able to walk on it without slipping. You know, when you go to waterfall, sometimes it gets slippery. Yeah, this one you can't, and it's just beautiful. It just looks amazing. So we're gonna attempt to climb it in a bit, but we're just chilling because obviously taking my time because my back hurts. But it's lovely. It's just refreshing. It's just gorgeous. Like, he's so excited. He's like, I haven't really been to a waterfall. I was like, I told you should go. You have to see what Thailand's about, man. Yeah, man, it's beautiful. But I haven't really got much battery. I didn't charge it, so I don't know why I did it. But I'll pull it on when I'm actually climbing up, so you can get the full POV. But yeah, just praying that God helps me with my back today. This is nice. Some parts are slippy. Nice. Some parts are slippy, and then some parts are like rock. Crazy. People have go all the way up there. Not me. I'm taking my time. I'm climbing up like step by step and then sitting down. I feel like an old lady doing it. Hey, I'm taking some pictures. If you can see this groove here, I forgot to tell you guys that I had a little accident on my motorcycle the other day. But I'm okay. I literally crashed into a parked motorcycle while I was getting out of the parked zone. That little makes me wonder, like, how when you actually have an accident, how fucked up you can get. This is gorgeous. Woo! Whoa! Wait. Wait. Woo! Wait. 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 I'm gonna just keep making this noise. Beautiful. Sorry. It's so cool. It's not too bad. I feel like I'm Tarzan in the jungle. Yes, Peter. Oi. Woo. Woo. Yeah. That's good. keep going. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Is there still a way to go?
Looks like it. Looks like all the way up.
I'm chilling here. Oh. Ooh. This is lovely. Me and watermelon, I love it. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's really helping my back actually. It's a good choice. So much people up here though. So basically there's two ways. One way's got a rope. I think there's two ways to go. I don't know which one is the best. That one looks steeper.
Let's see how people walk through and then we'll be able to tell.
To see which one to go with.
Yes.
That one people have a rope to pull them off. That one looks a little steeper though. Oh, that has a rope too.
It's steeper, but then again it will be more level.
Yeah. Should we go that way? Yeah. I think this way might work. We'll do this side. Oh, it's a bit slippy. When the rock is brown, you know it's not down. It's gonna be slippy. Oh, jeez. Oh, nice. Oh, beautiful. I'm scared of this one. This one looks a bit steep. Oh, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Ow. Oh, and there's a rope as well if you need it. It's like you literally back training. This is so cool. I'm gonna keep going. Huh? Go with the rope. I feel like this rope's unsafe.
Not safe?
Yeah, it's not attached to anything. Am I not going the best way? There we go. The level of danger. Jeez. Whoa. Whoa. Let's go. I feel like I'm a Spider-Man right now. I don't need the boat. The boat needs me. Woo. Good. I'm doing this with a camera. I don't know how I did this with a camera. Woo! Look at that, all the way down. Yes, bag yell. You get me? Woo! Woo! Yay! Did it. Oh no, there's more. Okay, here we go. Attempt. Yeah, this one. It don't feel so bad, but there's aspects of it that's slippery, so just have to be careful. And then the water is just flowing. Go chase the waterfall. That's exactly what I'm doing. Oi! Oi! Might have to change my hand. Hey, I'm Superwoman because how am I doing this with? Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna die. Oh, it's so slippery. This lady helped me to get the rope. Why is it so slippy? Hey! Hey! Was that way easy? This is hard because it's so slippy. Is gonna be crazy. Wait. I'm scared for my life right now. Jump!
You want to try this way?
Is that way easier?
I can't see it, man.
I don't want to move. I'm gonna carry on going this way. Thank you. Thank you. That was so scary. Pika, that was so scary. It was so slippy. We made it though. We did it. Picture. Oh, hold this one. Thank you. Wow. I was scared at that last bit because it was so slippy. This is amazing.
Super.
There was a point at the top where I thought I was gonna die, so it just started to become slippy. But look at this, it's gorgeous. Oh. We made it. Oh, guys, Chiang Mai has been a trip. Thailand has been a trip. This is my final day, and I feel like I'm spending it the best way. It's been amazing. That waterfall was, yeah, it was a trip. That was so good. The conditioner in my hair was just coming out and falling in my eyes. It was just so slippy at some of the rocks. But, and my back started to hurt again, but made it through. But guys, unless I come back and pull this out later, I'm gonna say goodbye here and call it a day. Thank you for watching all these vlogs. They've been so bitty, but best I can do. But I appreciate you tuning in anyways, and just seeing me on my little solo travel journey. Peace.